Assalamualaikum friends, here is 100 plus pro font in TTF and OTF file. Total file is 424 and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, I know you know about how to install these font. Okay, here is mostly signature font and Frozy monster. Okay, candy file, or for example italic. Okay, double click install, and here is a Photoshop. Create new uh, write anything Sheri SK candy. This font. Here in capital and small letter is this one. Amazing. Next is this one, like a signature font. Okay, wow. And digit is 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you can install one by one. Wow, mostly for certificate. Same thing here, you can use in Android mobile and laptop or computer window. I hope these fonts are useful for you. Subscribe me, download this app for password. Take care, love.